Hey girls, this is the video for 6F, and it's about the unitary method, which is my favorite method. Okay, and so the unitary method is kind of like we did in the last video, but the whole deal with it is finding one part of the ratio to help you find other parts. Okay, so let's talk about it. It says Andy travels 105 kilometers in 7 car trips, and they're identical, so he's going to the same place, like maybe going to school. Oh, home to school. How far would she travel in 11 car trips? Okay, so this is what I do. I figure out how much one car trip is. So I do 105 divided by 7. So grab my calc, 105 divided by 7, and I get 15. So 15 kilometers for one trip. Okay, 15 kilometers for one trip. It'd be nice if I wrote that a lot neater, wouldn't it be? Okay, 15 kilometers per trip. All right, now it says, how far would she travel in 11? Well, that's easy. It's 15 times 11. 15 times 11 gives me 165. Okay, so I figure out for 1, then I multiply. Let's try this one. The ratio of apples to oranges is 3 to 5. There are 18 apples. Apples to oranges, 3 to 5. There are 18 apples. Okay, this is hard. Oh, I guess it's really not hard. But what I want to do is figure out, how about how many oranges for one apple? So I go, okay, I'm going to divide by 3. I want apples to be 1, because that's what I'm talking about. So I divide by 3, divide by 3. So I get 1, 2, 5 on 3. And then I take 18 apples, and I multiply by 5 on 3. I do it on my calculator. So I got 18, oops, too glary. Let me get it there. 18 times 5 ABC 3. 30. In the old days, before, when we did this, we just did times by 6, remember? And I still get 30. So both of the methods are valid. You can use either one you want. But the unitary method sometimes is nicer. Here we go. A truck uses 4 liters of petrol to go 36 kilometers. How far will it travel if 70 liters of petrol? Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure out 1 liter of petrol. So I have 4 for 36. I'm going to divide by 4 because I'm using the unitary method. Unit means 1. So I get 1 makes 9 kilometers. Okay, 1 liter is 9 kilometers. So I go, okay, 70 liters. I'll just do 70 times 9. Okay, it's a really nice way to do problems. Melissa works at the local supermarket. Is this blurry or is it just the weird light? There you go. Melissa works at the local supermarket and she earns $57.60 in a 4-hour shift. How much does she earn in cents per minute? Wow, cents per minute. Okay, let's figure this out. Let's do first how much she earns in 1 hour. So I go 57.60, whoops, 60 in 4 hours. I'm going to do it a calculator job here, too easy. 57.60 divided by 4, 14.40 in 1 hour. 14.40 per hour, okay? Now, I like to do this way. It's kind of tricky, okay? I'm going to go, there are 100 cents in $1. And be with me here. I want cents on the top because it's on the top there. And here I have that she earns $14.40, this rate that I got, in 1 hour. And here I'm going to do a time thing. I want minutes, so I'm going to go there 60 minutes in 1 hour. Oops. That's how I want it, isn't it? 1 hour. Sorry, girls, I decided to be a bit easier. I'm going to change these dollars to cents. There's 100 cents in $1. So I'm going to multiply by 100, and I'll get this. She makes that much in 1 hour. Now let's see. I want to know how much she makes in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to have to change this hour to 60 minutes. But I want 1 minute, so I need to divide 1440 by 60. $0.24 per minute. Those are kind of tricky, lots of little steps to do, but that's your work.